I'm starting completely fresh, a blank Vilva canvas. This is where the whole film comes together. First, the storyboard. I describe what I want, an editorial, luxury leather goods piece. I have defined the entire process to generate as a single image in 12 panels, from the rawhide to the cut, the stitch, the finished bag, and finally, it's out in the world. The whole story of a handmade bag, from one prompt. Now the part I love. I take that single storyboard, feed it into Seedance as one reference image, and generate the entire film in a single shot. No stitching clips together, no animating it panel by panel. I hand it the shot list and the sound design, pencil on leather, the pull of waxed thread, a brass buckle clicking, and it returns continuous cinematic footage that follows the board in order. This is the single shot output, and it's quite impressive. From there, it's finishing. I upscale the footage right on the canvas to full 1080p until every grain of the leather reads sharp. I score it with a prompt, a solo cello, slow, heartfelt, a little heritage to it, and Suno composes the track beautifully. Then I drop the video and the music onto the timeline, line them up, and export. One canvas, from a blank page to a finished product, without ever leaving Vilva. Image, video, music, and the final edit, all in one place.